Many of us worry about memory as we age, forgetting names, misplacing keys, or losing track of why we entered a room. Most of these lapses are normal, but it's crucial to know when memory issues go beyond typical aging. Forgetting where you parked is one thing, forgetting how to get to a familiar place is another. When memory loss disrupts work, social life, or independence, it's time to pay attention. Dementia is not a normal part of aging, it's a medical condition. If memory problems come with confusion, trouble with familiar tasks, or personality changes, talk to a doctor. Recognizing these signs early opens the door to diagnosis and better care. Don't ignore persistent memory issues. Being proactive can make a real difference. Dementia is an umbrella term for symptoms that affect memory, thinking, and daily life. Alzheimer's disease is the most common type, causing 60–80% of cases. Other types include vascular dementia, Lewy body dementia, and frontotemporal dementia. Dementia symptoms include memory loss, confusion, and difficulty with communication or problem-solving. Alzheimer's starts with mild memory trouble and worsens over time, eventually affecting basic daily tasks. Dementia is caused by brain cell damage, not just aging. Each type affects different brain regions, but all disrupt how brain cells communicate. Understanding this helps us see dementia as a medical challenge, not an inevitable part of growing older. Alzheimer's is caused by a mix of age, genetics, lifestyle, and environment. Risk increases with age, especially after 65, and family history can play a role. Over 55 million people worldwide live with dementia, making it a growing global challenge. Diagnosis involves medical history, cognitive tests, and sometimes brain scans to rule out other causes. There's no single test for Alzheimer's. Doctors use a combination of tools for accuracy. Early diagnosis helps families plan, access treatments, and join clinical trials. Brain imaging can reveal changes like shrinkage or protein buildup linked to Alzheimer's. Getting answers early empowers people to take control of their future. There's no cure for Alzheimer's, but treatments can help manage symptoms and slow progression. Medications can support memory and thinking for a time, though they don't stop the disease. New drugs now target the underlying biology, removing amyloid plaques in early stages. These breakthroughs offer hope, but they're not cures and work best early on. Managing Alzheimer's also means creating a supportive environment and staying engaged. Caregiver support is vital. Caring for someone with dementia is demanding. Progress in research is opening doors to better therapies and more hope. Community support and expert care make a real difference for families facing Alzheimer's. Prevention matters. Up to 40% of dementia cases may be delayed or prevented with healthy habits. Regular exercise boosts brain health by increasing blood flow and oxygen. A Mediterranean-style diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, protects brain cells. Quality sleep helps clear toxins linked to Alzheimer's. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly. Manage chronic conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes, and avoid smoking and excess alcohol. Stay socially and mentally active. Learn new skills, read, or connect with others. These steps build cognitive reserve and resilience against decline. Dementia isn't inevitable. Investing in your brain health today empowers a brighter, sharper future. Alzheimer's is a journey that changes everything, but understanding its stages gives us power to prepare and support our loved ones. The disease begins silently, in the preclinical stage. Changes happen deep in the brain, but there are no symptoms. Life seems normal. In stage 2, very mild cognitive decline, forgetfulness appears, misplacing keys, searching for words. It's easy to dismiss as normal aging. Stage 3, mild cognitive decline, brings more noticeable memory lapses. Loved ones may see repeated questions or trouble organizing daily tasks. Anxiety and frustration grow as the person senses something is wrong. This is often when families seek answers and a diagnosis. Stage 4, moderate cognitive decline, makes Alzheimer's unmistakable. Forgetting recent events, struggling with simple math, and mood changes become common. Independence fades as managing finances or social situations becomes overwhelming. In stage 5, moderately severe decline, confusion deepens. People may forget their address, get lost, or need help choosing clothes, but still recognize close family. Daily life now requires more support and patience. Stage 6, severe decline, brings profound memory loss and personality changes. Wandering, agitation, and needing help with almost all activities are common. Communication is difficult, but connection through touch or music can still bring comfort. In the final stage, very severe decline, the person loses the ability to respond, speak, or control movement. Care focuses on comfort and dignity. Alzheimer's is a long, difficult journey, but knowledge and compassion can light the way. If your parent had Alzheimer's, does that mean you will too? The answer isn't simple. Early onset Alzheimer's is rare and strongly genetic. If a parent has the gene, there's a 50% chance you'll inherit it. Most cases are late onset, where genetics increase risk, but don't guarantee the disease. The APO4 gene raises risk, but many with it never develop Alzheimer's. Your family history is just one piece of the puzzle. Lifestyle, diet, exercise, sleep, and stress plays a powerful role in shaping your brain's future. Having a parent with Alzheimer's means you should be proactive, not fearful. You can't change your genes, but you can change your habits. Your choices matter. Your story isn't written in your DNA. Take action for your brain health starting today. Diagnosing Alzheimer's early was once nearly impossible, but science is changing that. New blood tests can detect Alzheimer's proteins years before symptoms appear, making early screening possible for everyone. Artificial intelligence now powers cognitive tests on tablets and phones, spotting subtle changes invisible to the human eye. Even the eyes offer clues. Retinal scans can reveal early signs of Alzheimer's through changes in the back of the eye. These breakthroughs mean earlier detection, better treatment, and more hope for the future. The earlier we see the signs, the more we can do. Early detection is becoming routine, not rare. The future of Alzheimer's care starts with seeing the unseen. What you eat shapes your brain's future. The Mind Diet combines the Mediterranean and DASH diets, focusing on foods proven to protect the brain. Fill your plate with leafy greens, berries, nuts and beans, whole grains, poultry and fish. Use olive oil for cooking and limit red meat and butter, cheese, sweets and fried foods. It's not about perfection. Every healthy choice counts. Even moderate adherence to the Mind Diet can lower Alzheimer's risk. Think of each meal as an investment in your brain's resilience. Small changes add up to big protection. Nourish your mind with every bite. Your brain's destiny is on your plate. Sleep is essential for brain health. It's when your brain cleans itself. During deep sleep, the glymphatic system flushes out toxins like beta amyloid, which can build up and contribute to Alzheimer's. Poor sleep disrupts this cleaning, letting harmful waste accumulate. Prioritize sleep. Keep a regular schedule, create a restful environment, and avoid screens before bed. If you struggle with sleep, talk to your doctor. Conditions like sleep apnea can raise dementia risk. Restorative sleep is a powerful tool for protecting your brain. Make sleep a nightly priority, your brain depends on it. Chronic stress and inflammation can damage memory. Protect your mind by managing stress and supporting your body's health. Alzheimer's and dementia are not just about memory, they affect every part of a person's identity and every member of their family. But knowledge is power. By understanding the signs, making lifestyle changes, and supporting research, you can protect your mind and help others too. Don't wait. Start taking care of your brain today. Eat well, move often, stay connected, sleep deep, learn new things. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And remember, live healthy every day. Your mind matters.